I'm so fucking happy about my new buy here. She likes the truck. I got my Bobcat. But yeah, she just wants to play with the truck. Hey! Hey! Fantastic place in Bangkok. They get this home from Japan. Just a big block of everything. And they turn them into... yeah, I have to look for this. Turn them into nice machines. I really love those lawnmowers up there, but a little bit too expensive. So, but we found a Bobcat. Yeah, we found a Bobcat. 2 seconds. It's not a very big Bobcat, but it is a Bobcat. And I got a big plate, shovel, whatever. And yeah, it's a Toyota. Toyota engine, everything. So it should be pretty reliable, easy to maintain. I already run it, drive it, everything works. So this little thing is going to Denmark. This little thing is going to Denmark, and this little thing is going to Denmark. So not so bad, but yeah, have a look at this. So if you ever need anything like the real Honda engines, straight out of Japan. Yanmar, Kawasaki, Kubota, Mitsubishi, diesel, Yanmar. So yeah, not too bad. A lot of Honda engines. Fucking crazy. Get a pile like this straight from Japan, and then they'll start building tractors, lawnmowers, whatever. But yeah. Yeah. Jesus Christ, it's hot. So, but I got my Bobcat. First big thing out of the tree going into the container. Now we need. So, yeah.